Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a roundup of all of my makes from the first half of 2024, so from January to June. I'm excited to share with you all everything that I have made. I've honestly lost track of some things because I didn't post everything on my blog. I didn't post everything on my Instagram. So yeah, I was like, wait, I did make that. I did make that. But it was good just to see everything that I made. So let's go ahead and get into it. I have my phone here because I'm going to start on my Instagram page, and then I did like kind of import some photos to my camera roll so I can share those with you all. But the first one here, and I'm going to pop them up on one side of the screen here, but you'll see. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I made was this Butterick top. It was a really cute top. It had like a faux kind of wrap detail with some shearing around the waist. I really love that. It had an elastic casing around the sleeve. This pattern is Butterick 6930, and the fabric that I used was a Rayon from Melanated Fabrics. I think that top is super cute, and it is still in my closet. That's another thing that I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you the things that I've made, and I'm going to tell you what is still in my closet, because I purge pretty frequently because I make so much, and I also shop a lot too. So I have to frequently purge out the closet, but this top is still in the closet. So that's the first thing that I made in January of 2024. The next thing that I made was I have to turn this on, the sound off, but the second thing that I made was a Vogue 2000. This was the vintage DVF wrap dress, the reproduction that Simplicity came back out with. I made it in a red kind of a it wasn't a ponte. Gosh, what was it? I don't think it was Liverpool either. I found it at my local Hobby Lobby. Super cute, iconic dress. I think I shared in my blog post that if I was to make it again, I would make it without the cuffs because the cuff detail just really isn't me, but the wrap just is. I love anything that wraps. So yeah, this dress, I don't know I think I've given her to my mom. If not, then I put it in a bag for my mom to get. So she's on her way out the closet if she's still in there, just because I know I would prefer to wear this without the cuffs. But I mean, if you're doing a vintage DVF pattern, like you gotta sew it up at least the first time the way it is, in my opinion. So that was the second thing that I made. The third thing that I made, oh wow, I forgot I made this dress. Okay, this was a quick sew. This was McCall's 8448. This is a quick little knit dress. It had some really nice line details in it. That made it great for color blocking. I love that dress when I saw it on the pattern, so I knew I was going to make it, but I totally forgot. This was one that I forgot. I didn't even remember this dress at all. I really did like this dress, so she is still in the closet. Plus, I really like red, so that one's still there. The next one that I made, Sewed Academy jean skirt. This skirt was really cute. I really did love, again, all the line drawings, not the line drawings, but all the line details that it has on it. It has a lot of top stitching, which I thought was nice too. It has a really cool pocket detail as well, so I really enjoyed that. This skirt is in my closet, but it's on its way out only because I can't fit it anymore. I just went to go take some photos with partner, who is Mimi. We went to go take some photos, some updated photos for Sword Academy. The skirt was so big, they can't even use the photos. I was like, I mean, it fit when I photographed it a couple of months ago. It doesn't fit now, which is a great thing, but yeah, it's just, it looked bad in the photos. I didn't see them yet, but if Mimi can't edit them and use them, they trash, okay, period. So, yeah, I gotta get that skirt out of the closet, only because it doesn't fit. But honestly, I may try to hack it. I mean, it's denim, you can do so much with denim, so I may use it for something else, but as far as keeping it as a skirt, no, it doesn't fit me anymore, but I really do like the skirt. If you want this pattern, you do need to be a member of Sewed Academy. If you're interested in trying the free trial to see if it's something you'd be interested in, I have a link down in the description box that you can check out. So now the next thing that I made, I don't think I made, yeah, that was just a roundup. Ooh, this cute little set here. This is actually Mimi's pattern. This is Simplicity 9929, and Mimi allowed me the honor to be on the cover with her, which I was so excited about. But this little set is super cute. This one is still in the closet. It's so comfy to wear. I need to make some more of these pants actually because they are really comfortable. But this is such a cute little set. If you want a cute set for summer, you can even hack the pants and make them some shorts. I believe I saw Catherine from Bringing Sewing Back do that. You can really hack this and make this even cuter. If you want to wear it in the hotter months like summer, make it to some shorts and you're good to go. But I love it. Super cute pattern. I will absolutely make this again. Still in the closet, like I said. But yeah, that one was Simplicity 9929. And this is a Mimi G pattern. Love it. Next up, ooh, this Vogue jumpsuit that I made. I love this jumpsuit. Still in the closet. I wear this thing at least once a week. It's so comfortable. This is Vogue 1994. I love it. Like, I love it. I was so pleased with this make, really excited about it. So yeah, that one is still in the closet. Still there. Moving on to, oh, this one here, another jumpsuit that I made. This one is McCall's 8313. Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell y'all the fabric. Just check the description box. I'll make sure that I tell you all the fabric. For the Vogue jumpsuit, the light pink one that I just shared previously, I used like a linen blend. It was kind of more so on the twill side, but that's the type of fabric that I used for that jumpsuit. This one here that I'm showing now, the McCall's 8313, this is a rayon, and I purchased this rayon from Sewing Studio. I love shopping that shop. So I'll have the link for them if you're interested below, but this is a rayon fabric. I think they sold out of this fabric, or I know they sold out of the other colorway. They may still have this fabric, I'm not sure, but super cute jumpsuit. Like, still in the closet. I love this. I think it's super cute. Oh, that's right. So with the jumpsuit, it has like this overlay kind of detail along the front of it. That detail gave me some issues. I almost threw the whole project away, but I told people that I was going to sew it and make a video for it. I always get myself into trouble when I say, hey, do you all want to sew along on this? Every single time I do that and you all say yes, even if you say no, if I announce what I'm about to do, the project gives me problems, okay? It gives me problems, but we work through it, and there is a video for this jumpsuit if you're interested in it. Moving on to the next project that I made. Okay, the next project that I made after that jumpsuit was my Frocktails dress. This is my first time going to Atlanta Frocktails, and I made Simplicity 9950. I used a really light linen fabric from the Sewing Studio for it. I love that fabric. I love a dark background floral print. I just think it's so beautiful. So I love this dress. I love the way it turned out. This one is still in my closet. I'll be honest, I don't know how long she's going to stay. She may turn into something else because I really like this fabric and I want to wear it like more. But I don't know if she's still in the closet now, but she may be leaving. I'll just be honest. She may be on her way out. She's there for now though, but a decision needs to be made soon. The next thing that I made was another version of my crop trench jacket, my Nomi pattern. It's a Nomi ME 2089. This crop trench pattern is super cute. It's so versatile. You can wear it through all seasons if you want, depending on your climate. If you don't really get a cold snow winter, you could definitely wear this throughout the colder months. Definitely transition from summer to fall in it. It's just a great, cute little jacket. You can throw it on. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. On the cover, I wore it with jeans. And it's more dressed up for fall, but in this, when I remade it, I put it on with a dress to kind of show you that you can still wear it in the summer. I did it with a denim checker print. I found that fabric at Hobby Lobby and I love it. Love it. That jacket is still in my closet. The next thing that I made was the Sword Academy denim jeans. Yes, those are still in the closet. Okay, all that top stitching, they're going nowhere. But I love the way that these jeans turned out. I think they are super cute. I love that they have a little kick and a flare at the bottom. So I really enjoyed making those. I got my projects a little out of order. So this one right here, the white peplum top, this one is a recent pattern, and that pattern number is McCall's 8509. For those of you that do not know, I do work at Simplicity. I'm on their social media team, and sometimes I do get tasked to do filming for patterns that have QR codes on them. So when you scan the QR code, it will take you right to the sew along. So sometimes if it's not a designer pattern, if it's just a Simplicity or McCall pattern, then sometimes a social media team, or we'll task out to other creators who do YouTube to see if they are available to film, but sometimes I just end up filming it. And so that was the case for this top. It definitely is not something that is my style, but I really enjoyed making it and I like the way it looks. I don't know if I would keep it in my closet. It's in there now. I don't know how long it'll stay, but I do see it paired really cute with some skinny jeans, which I don't own any skinny jeans, so I'm gonna have to buy some for this top. But or some nice leggings, you know, like some nice like faux leather type leggings. It could be cute. It could be cute. It could be cute. It's in my closet for now. It's a sew along available for this top. And again, I think I'll try to link as many sew alongs to any of these other projects because I know I have sew alongs for many, or maybe sew alongs were already filmed by somebody else that you can watch. So yeah, that was the top that I made the first half of the year. The next one is McCall's, what is this? 8449, super cute dress. It has a nice little placket detail along the front of it, at the tie as well. I made this out of a cotton poplin, so it definitely has like that crispy, you know, hand to it, but it's a really nice dress. It's not in my closet anymore. I've donated and given her away, but yeah, super cute top. If this is your vibe, there is a video for it. So that was another make. Oh, my Mother's Day dress. I made my own pattern, my own dress pattern, McCall's 2040. What? I made my own dress pattern for this dress. Know me, ME 2040. I made it out of a rayon. We had this rayon at Melanated Fabrics. Love this dress. I did modify the shoulders. Instead of just sewing the standard shoulder, I made it into a tie just to kind of give it a little cute detail. I love the way it turned out, and this dress is still in my closet. Love it. Next make, okay, we talked about the Sword Academy jeans. We talked about the Sword Academy skirt. We did not talk about this dress that I made for Sword Academy. This is the Sword Academy button-up shirt dress. Super easy dress to sew. This one is still in the closet as well. I get a lot of wear out of this dress. It's just easy to pull on. I don't even unbutton it. I just slip it over my head and go on about my day. So I really do enjoy this dress. And again, if you're interested in any of the Sword Academy patterns, there's a link in the description box if you want to check out the free trial, if you're not already a member, to see if it's something you'd be interested in joining. But I do believe, wait, what easy button-up top? That is not everything, girl. I thought I was done. I thought I was done. I thought I was done. So I'm just going to pop up a picture of this top right here because this is one that I recently made and shared. It also has a sew along to it. This is Simplicity 9952. This is a beginner-friendly button-up top. And I know it can be intimidating when you start talking about button-up tops because you have the collars and you got the buttons and the buttonholes. All of that is overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. But this pattern is, I won't say easy because easy is not the same for everyone. But if you want an easier, as far as like lower pattern pieces and, you know, it's not all the extra things, this is a great pattern to check out. So I'm just looking over my list really quickly, and I think I mentioned everything. If I did not, I will pop up some more pictures here of other things that I may have forgotten about. I put the numbers down here at the bottom, but I think I covered everything. I'm excited for the next half of the year today is July 1st. Tomorrow is my birthday, July 2nd. I will be turning 37. And this is like, you know, reflecting over year 36, the things that I have learned, the things that I'm excited about. And so, yeah, I'm just so grateful for all that God is doing. I give God all the glory, all the honor, and all the praise. But yeah, that is all for this video. I really do hope that you all enjoyed it. And that it's inspiring and encouraging for you to sew. I don't know how I got all those things done. Half of those projects were work projects. So I have deadlines. So if I have a deadline, I gotta get it done. But I'll be honest, I haven't really been able to do a lot of fun sewing lately because I have had so many deadlines of back-to-back things that I needed to do. So I'm still trying to find a balance of creating for fun and creating for work. Even with sewing 30, like I love to sew in 30, but when I'm sewing in 30, it's work stuff, you know? So I'm like, I gotta find a balance. It's really difficult when what you love and, you know, your work is merged because it's just a tug of war. But anywho, I'll find some time. Pray for me that I find some time because I really just want to have some fun sewing. And I know I need to schedule it in because, yeah, I know I need to schedule that in and stick to the schedule. But sometimes it all just gets kind of muddled up, especially during the summer. But anyhow, just my little spill. Yeah, I hope that you all are having a great day, a great year, and excited for the rest of this year. I'm excited. So that's it, friends. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section, and I will see you all in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.